is, as an idea for what might be for dinner tonight, is actually a meal that I made by request for my mom, Elsa, for her 79th birthday party this year. And it was something that she used to make for us when I was a little kid. Basically, it's chicken and vegetables with wine and tarragon, steamed, so it's super figure friendly, super delicious, extremely easy, foolproof to cook, and it is beautiful because it's served en papillon, in parchment paper. Now, when I was a little kid, chicken or fish en papillon might have been a little bit big of a mouthful, so my mom used to call it chicken in a sack or fish in a sack. So I'm gonna show you chicken in a sack and fish in a sack. So, this is an easy and elegant way to entertain if you don't do a lot of cooking, because as I said, it's foolproof and it makes such a beautiful plate presentation. So for the chicken in a sack, we're gonna start with the chicken, and then I'll show you the fish. For this one, we're gonna start with a couple of large shallots, and I'm just using a little hand tool here that's actually a truffle shaver. You could cut it with a knife, a mandolin, even the attachment on your food processor, whatever gets it done easy for you. Did you guys see I just drooled? I hope we edit that out. I don't think First Lady Michelle Obama would appreciate I've been drinking so much water, I'm now drooling. Just between friends. That's enough, I'm just gonna make 2 of these. So, very thinly sliced shallot, thinly sliced garlic as well, some thin green beans. These I got right at the regular grocery store, already cleaned up and ready to go. I just gave them a little rinse. Haricot vert is what the little package will say. And then I have fresh tarragon, a splash of white wine, salt, pepper, olive oil, the chicken itself, some little always sweet, always delicious year-round, little sweet cherry tomatoes. Let me just get building and you'll see how this works. So you're gonna need a piece of parchment paper about as big as a baking sheet. You can cut that, or you can buy it pre-cut in Restaurant Supply, or you can order it online from any cooking supply website. So you take 1 piece of parchment paper. In the center of that, you're gonna take 1 small hand of green bean. On top of that, you're gonna put some shallot, a little garlic, and then we're going to put in our tomatoes, just a small handful of those, the fresh tarragon. On the vegetables, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, a little pinch of sea salt, a little bit of black pepper, about 2 tablespoons of dry white wine, 1, 2. Then you're going to take 1 piece of boneless, skinless chicken breast, pop that up on top, just like that. Just leave these here for a sec, I'm gonna need them again. On the chicken, we're going to put a couple of little pats of butter, a little more sea salt, black pepper. The oven is preheating to 400 degrees, and then I top the chicken with a little bit of parsley. Then we're going to roll the sides up and make a giant paper dumpling. What happens is the chicken and vegetables steam in their own juices. And in only about 20-25 minutes time, you can literally see the liquids boiling. The chicken is perfectly cooked through, the vegetables are tender crisp, and you serve it in the actual paper dumpling sack. It's beautiful. So you bring up the 2 sides together, and then just work folding it nice and tight, folding it over carefully. Go nice and slow. You really have to make sure that the edges are sealed up, or you will have the steam won't do its job. The steam will be able to escape. It looks like a little dumpling, doesn't it? Like a giant fortune cookie or something.